Welcome to Star Professional College. This is Dialogue Book 1. Dialogue 7. Do you have any brother? Yes, I have brothers. How many brothers you have? I have 5 brothers. What are their names? Their names are Ali, Musa, Osman, Armin, Mahad and Luqman. How old is your brother Luqman? He is 20 years old. What does he do? He is a university student. He is studying medicine at Hargeisa University. Do you have any sisters? Yes, I have sisters. How many sisters do you have? I have 3 sisters. What are their names? Their names are Hoden, Naima and Sarah. How old is your sister Naima? She is 18 years old. What does she do?
She is a secondary school student. She is in her last year for her high school. And she is hoping to go to university.
Hi students. You have to memorize this vocabulary. This dialogue is prepared and translated by Star Professional College.